Hi everyone! It's Friday, August 21st, 2020, and today's STEAM Grab and Go kit is a make your own boat kit that actually floats. So when you pick one up, you'll get a bag with these pieces. We have our boat bottom, our rudder, several different sticks that are our masts for our sails, and several different sizes and shapes of sails that you can use in any way on your boat. So you can start by getting markers or crayons and decorating your sails any way that you'd like. I think that, here I will put I love reading on this one. And then once you have your sails all decorated, the pre-punched holes you can use to get them on the masts. There are holes already punched into the boat too to help you get those on there. You can do as many or as few sails as you like. You can put more than one on a stick or just one each. You will have some extra pieces when you're done, but not unlike craft kits. You can just keep these extra pieces at home or throw them away if you don't need them. Here we go, Summer Reading 2020 at the front of my boat. And then your rudder, you can see that there's already holes in here. Oops, I almost put them backwards. You can fit right in there. And then you can take your boat out and float it in your pool, even in the river if you catch it again, in your bathtub, in your sink at home, anywhere that you'd like. If you have permanent markers at home, you can even color the bottom of your boat and it won't come off in the water. So enjoy this week's Make Your Own Boat STEAM kit and make sure to check our online calendar for September programs. We'll have some fun stuff coming up, including another STEAM Grab and Go bag in September. See you soon. Have a great start to the school year.